So today I am going to teach you how to make insect slime. So what you need for insect slime, you need some glue, some contact solution, some baking soda, and water. That is all you need. And if you want, you can add some food coloring and some glitter, but that is up to you, okay? Are you guys ready? All right, so I'm going to double the recipe that I gave you, and I'm gonna use a 10-ounce glue bottle and 1 cup of water. If you have glitter glue, you can use glitter glue too. So I actually have some clear glitter glue, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there as well. Now we're gonna mix it. Maybe we can mix and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Next, we're going to add the baking soda. So the recipe says half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in my bowl. Okay, and then we're going to mix it some more. This is also when you can add food coloring or glitter. So I'm going to add the food coloring. I'm going to do some green and some green glitter. I'm going to mix it. So what really brings the slime together is the contact solution. It has an ingredient that really makes it stretchy and it gives it that consistency of slime. So the recipe will tell you that you only need 1 tablespoon of contact solution, but you are going to need a lot more. I usually don't measure the contact solution part because you're just gonna need a lot. So I'm just gonna squirt this in here while I'm mixing it. All right, so after mixing it for a little bit, you can tell that it is turning into slime. Isn't that cool? I think our slime is done. So you'll know that your slime is ready to go when it doesn't stick to your hands anymore. So if I were to just go like this, it doesn't stick to me, and that's how you know it's done. And usually when the kids are playing with it, it might start sticking to them. If it starts sticking to them a lot, then what I would do is I would just kind of spray a little bit more contact solution in their tray, and then it usually gets better after I do that. In our classroom, we usually use trays, like cooking trays just like this. And I usually just give them the slime on the tray, and then I would give them, if you have some bugs or some jewels or any little manipulative, you can stick it there, and it's so much fun to play with. So here is our slime, friends. I hope you have so much fun making it.